Let's have a session 8 markers. This is for Edexcel A-level business. We go through tips, timing and technique. Let's start with tip number 1. Tip number 1 is know the command word. The command word for these questions will be assess. Probably assess to impacts, to implications of why is the concept, why is the question, on the business or the industry. Now remember, this will be in paper 3, so it could well be about an industry. So why is the concept? It could be promotion, international expansion, for example. And with these 8 markers, you're going to see 2 of them on paper 3. Let's move on to tip 2. Tip 2 is know the mark scheme. 2 marks for knowledge, 2 marks for application. So your analysis, your evaluation, your knowledge, ideally it's got to be contextualized. Use the case study. 2 marks for analysis and 2 marks for evaluation. 2 marks for evaluation is critical here because it means that you need to provide counterbalance. However, it depends on what's the limitations. Look at the industry. Are there differing impacts on smaller businesses or large businesses? It's important that you do that and you're aware that there's 2 marks for that. In terms of technique, let's go. So with regards to technique, you want to define the concept in the question first, and then you want to look at each of your 2 reasons in individual paragraphs. So reason number 1, and then you want to get the point in context, explain it in context, with chains of analysis. If it helps, use because, leads to, therefore. You could use furthermore, moreover. And then after that, you want to hook back. You want to hook back and look at any however points, or it depends on points, or any limitations about that particular reason. That will provide you with counterbalance. But don't go overboard here. Just write a sentence, maximum 2. And then you want to repeat that for reason 2. So point in context, explain in context, and then hook back at the end. No need for a conclusion on these. So in terms of timing, we're thinking 9 to 10 minutes for these questions. If you have additional time and that additional time is plus 25%, then 12 minutes. I hope that helps and I'll see you at the next sesh.